In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default application for opening PDF files on your computer. Whether you're dissatisfied with the current program or just looking to try something new, altering the setting is quick and easy. Let's dive in so you can start viewing your PDF files with the application of your choice. First, locate any PDF file saved on your computer. This file can be in any folder, such as on your desktop or within your documents. With the file in view, you'll want to use your mouse to right-click on it. This action will open a menu of options directly related to that PDF file. Once you've clicked the right mouse button, hover over Open With. You'll notice a sub-menu appears containing several applications that can handle a PDF file. Now move your cursor to choose another app within this list. Clicking on it will bring up a new window for you to set your preferences. In this window, you'll be presented with a list of applications currently installed on your computer that are capable of opening PDFs. This may include options like Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or any other PDF viewer you might have downloaded, such as Adobe Reader. Carefully review this list and select the application you'd like to use from now on. If you're not sure which one to pick, consider the features each program offers. Chrome, for instance, is great for an integrated experience if you often deal with online PDFs, while Microsoft Edge might suit you better if you want a straightforward native application experience. Next, take a close look at the bottom corner of this window. There's an important checkbox here labeled "Always use this app to open .pdf files." By checking this box, you're instructing your computer to rely on the selected application for all your PDF needs in the future, making it your new default program. This step ensures that every time you double-click on a PDF, your preferred application automatically launches, saving you time. After you've made your selection and checked this box, go ahead and click OK. At this point, you've successfully set your default PDF program. From now on, any PDF file you choose will open with the application you've selected, making the process seamless and tailored to your preferences. There you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've taken control of how your PDFs are opened, enhancing your workflow efficiency. Whether managing documents for work or enjoying reading for leisure, having a preferred application can make all the difference. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Remember to subscribe for more practical tech tips and tricks.